Like this hairstyle right here, y'all. This hairstyle right here may be on the top of the list. It's up here. It's up there. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for coming back and tuning in today's video, guys. I'm so excited about today's video because this hairstyle, y'all, is bomb. Like, this is probably one of my favorite hairstyles, y'all. Like, no lie. Like, this hairstyle right here, y'all. This hairstyle right here may be on the top of the list. It's up here. It's up there. It's up there, y'all. As y'all can see, I have in my beautiful jaw locks. Yes, I had to get up and show you all because these little honey, I've been feeling myself with these in, okay? They're so cute. All right, like this is like so fun, so sexy. And it is like the perfect hairstyle for your soft girl fall, honey. Like this gives me everything and more. And the best thing about this hairstyle is, in the way that I did it, is that it is very beginner friendly. It involved no creating your own locks. These locks were pre-made, honey. All you need to do is just the little strands right here and the strands on the bottom. And guess what, honey? This is the right place to learn how to do that. So if you would like to learn how to do these jaw locks right here, stay tuned. So for the little curly pieces, I use the Sensual collection, the HD Natural Bundle, and it is the deep wave in the 24-inch. I didn't want to use human hair because I wasn't sure how I was going to exactly achieve this hairstyle. So I didn't want to waste money on human hair when I didn't even know if I was going to be able to even achieve this. So I went on ahead and got this little synthetic bundle from my local beauty supply. I just cut off the weft and use the hair just like any other crochet / braiding hair. And it works pretty well. I really like it. It's a really soft texture and it feels like human hair, so I'm pretty satisfied with it. And it gives off the same illusion, so you know, everything is copacetic with that. Basically, what I did to achieve this hairstyle was I took my section and I braided it down. I braided it down about 3 to 4 times, and then I added in a strand of the synthetic curly hair. That is for my middle piece that's going to be sticking out of the lock. And then I took my lock, and at the bottom of the lock I separated the lock because the lock is hollow and you are able to separate it at the bottom all the way up the lock. But I only wanted to separate it about an inch up because I'm going to do the same exact thing to the bottom of the lock and braid down the lock and start feeding in the synthetic hair to that bottom of the lock. Then with the second piece of the bottom of the lock that I separated the first piece from, I'm going to wrap it around in order to conceal that braid. So now you have your middle piece that's going to be out in the middle of the lock, and then you have your lock on the bottom. All you have to do, fro friends, is just take your section in the middle of the base of your braid, go in with your crochet needle and crochet that lock right on. And with these, like I said in the beginning, these are the GOAT of soft locks, so you are able to just take apart the lock very, very carefully, and then wrap your hair around it until you are all covered up. And what I did in order to make that middle piece sit out was that once I got to that middle piece, I then pulled up the middle piece over my head so that I wouldn't wrap the hair in it, and just went on ahead and continued wrapping down my braid. And it is that simple, guys. It is that simple. And I did this completely all over my head. As you all can see, I skipped some sections just because I didn't want all of that curly hair out and everything like that. But I made sure to do majority of my sections in that way, and it worked out really, really well, guys. It took me a long time in order to do this hair because I tried a few methods throughout my hair in order to see which one was the most time efficient and also which one worked the best. And that is the one that definitely worked the best and was the fastest that I noticed. So this hairstyle, guys, like I said in the beginning, it is one of my favorite hairstyles. It looks so freaking good, and I am like obsessed with it. Obsessed. In order to kind of keep it fresh and everything, I'm probably just going to take the NAIROBI foam and rake it through the curls and everything. I already had this hair or this type of hair before in a prior video. If you would like to see that, I'm gonna link it above for you. What I have noticed is these do get kind of frizzy, and they do tend to like kind of Velcro themselves to the locks, so you kind of need to stay on top of that. That is one annoying thing about the synthetic hair over human hair, is because it does kind of do that and get ratty and all of that. So one thing that I may try to do if these get really, really nasty and ratty, I may try to comb them out and then hot water set them. So we'll see when that time comes. I may do an alternative video when the style gets old on how to kind of revamp this style, because I didn't wrap these at the top yet. So thank you all so much for tuning in with me as I teach you all how to do these beautiful, gorgeous goddess boho locks. If there are any questions that I didn't answer in this video, please let me know in that comment section below. Please spam me if I didn't get one of the questions that you have about this hair. Please let me know below. If you like this video, go on ahead and shoot me a like as well. And if you aren't subscribed yet, honey, why haven't you? Go on ahead, click on my face, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.